Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Bestway Pump is probably one of the most essential accessories for any above-ground pool owner, ensuring your water stays clean, clear, and inviting throughout the swimming season. Without a reliable pump, your pool can quickly become a breeding ground for algae and debris, turning a fun summer activity into a murky disappointment. This review will dive deep into what makes a Bestway replacement pump stand out, helping you make an informed decision to keep your pool in pristine condition with minimal hassle and maximum enjoyment. Number 5. Intex SX2100 Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump. Introducing the Intex SX2100 Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump, designed to keep your above-ground pool crystal clear. Enjoy improved water circulation and filtration with this powerful yet easy-to-use system. Experience the difference with our hydroaeration technology. It enhances water circulation and clarity, while also increasing beneficial negative ions at the water's surface for a healthier pool environment. Getting started is simple. Just connect the hoses and plug it in. This pump is designed for hassle-free installation, making pool maintenance a breeze for pools up to 12,800 gallons. Set it and forget it with the built-in 24-hour timer. With preset cycles, it automatically operates to maintain a clean pool, ensuring a consistently clear swimming experience without constant attention. This pump boasts an impressive 2,100 GPH flow rate, ensuring efficient filtration for pools up to 12,800 gallons. It provides robust performance for optimal water quality. Intex is committed to the highest standards of safety, quality, and value. Our products are built to last, offering you peace of mind and an enjoyable pool season year after year. What we like. This pump offers advanced water aeration for improved circulation and clarity. Its built-in timer automates operation, making pool maintenance effortless. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to keep a larger above-ground pool sparkling clean, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The pump I just installed has a timer, recirculate feature, backwash, rinse and filter. It's easy to install and I think it's priced well too. This sand filter works so well, and not only does the water flow faster, it is also a more powerful stream. The filter doesn't take up much space and is very easy to use. This 16-inch light gray pump is not only an aesthetic addition but also a powerful performer that will keep your pool crystal clear all season long. Easy installation. This sand filter pump is simple to set up and install, allowing you to upgrade your pool filtration system with minimal fuss. Number 4. US Pool Supply Universal Replacement Filter Cartridges, Type A or C. Introducing our premium quality replacement filter cartridges, designed for superior cleaning. They ensure your pool water remains crystal clear all season long. These filters are universally compatible with most above-ground pool pumps using Type A or C filters. They are a perfect fit for Intex, Bestway, and Summer Waves models. Crafted with advanced polyethylene terephthalate fibers, they offer exceptional cleaning power. The durable, collapse-resistant core ensures long-lasting performance. Enjoy hassle-free pool maintenance with these washable and easy-to-replace cartridges. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing them every 2 weeks. Designed to work with pumps ranging from 530 to 2,000 gallons per hour. Their dimensions are 8 inches high with a 4.25-inch diameter, featuring a nearly 2-inch center hole. This pack includes 4 replacement cartridges, providing continuous filtration and clarity for your pool. Keep your water pristine with this convenient and effective solution. What we like. Get a great value with this 4-pack of universal filter cartridges. They are designed for superior cleaning and are compatible with many popular pump brands. If you need a cost-effective and reliable way to maintain clear water in your above-ground pool, these are ideal. What people say. These fit in there perfectly. You get 4, which honestly is enough to last all year. We are able to wash them and reuse them just like the big-name brand. Works as it's supposed to with our Bestway pump. The filters have held up well so far with the repeated washing. Number 3. Intex Replacement Hose Adapter AW Collar. Easily convert your threaded hoses to clamp style with this essential adapter. It's designed to work with both 1.5 and 1.25-inch hoses for your Intex pool set. This is the A-Series adapter pair, model 25007. It's a genuine Intex OEM replacement part. It fits all Intex filter pumps with capacities of 4,000, 2,500, 2,000, and 1,500 gallons per hour. This applies to pumps that use threaded hose connections. This adapter also works with Intex chlorine generators and salt systems. Ensure your system connects smoothly with threaded hose connections. Using this genuine replacement part ensures your pool remains safe and functions correctly. It's designed for optimal performance and reliability. What we like. This adapter pair is essential for connecting different hose styles to your Intex pump. It ensures a secure fit for both threaded and clamp-style connections. If you have an Intex pool system with threaded hoses and need to use clamp-style accessories, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The pump is a perfect fit for the Bestway pool. It is powerful and keeps the water clean. Easy to set up and use. Number 2. Intex sand filter pump replacement parts. Ensure your pool stays sparkling clean all season long with essential replacement parts for your Intex sand filter pump. This kit includes vital components to keep your sand filter pump running smoothly and efficiently. It comes with a tank O-ring specifically designed for 12 and 14-inch sand filter pumps and combos. Also included is a drain valve O-ring, crucial for the proper functioning of your sand filter pump and combo unit. A specialized L-shape O-ring for the pump motor ensures its longevity and optimal performance. These parts are designed to maintain your Intex sand filter pump, ensuring reliable operation for years to come. What we like. Keep your Intex sand filter pump running smoothly with this replacement repair set. It includes the crucial O-rings needed for common maintenance issues. If your sand filter pump is leaking or not sealing properly, this kit provides the necessary parts for a quick fix. What people say. The pump is a direct replacement and fits perfectly. It's powerful enough to keep the water clear and clean. Easy to install and set up, took only a few minutes. Number 1. Bestway Power Steel 20-foot by 12-foot x 48 oval pool set. Get ready for endless summer enjoyment with this spacious oval pool. It's perfect for family and friends to splash around in all season long. This set includes everything you need to get started, featuring a powerful 1500 GPH filter pump, a convenient ladder, and a protective pool cover. Experience exceptional strength and stability thanks to its robust steel frame, secured with an innovative seal and lock system. The durable Tritech liner ensures it stands up to season after season. Setting up and taking down is a breeze, with no tools required. When season ends, it's simple to drain and store until next year. Transform your backyard into a private oasis. Please remember to check your local HOA regulations before purchasing to ensure compliance. What we like. This is a fantastic all-in-one package for immediate summer fun. It includes the pool, a filter pump, ladder, and cover, making setup a breeze. If you're looking for a complete and durable above-ground pool solution for your family, this set offers great convenience and value. What people say. This pool was super easy to put together with 2 people. It only took us 30 minutes. It seems quite sturdy. It handles the rambunctious activity of 10, 11, and 13-year-old boys. The pool includes the frame, pool, ladder, hoses, pump, ground cover and pool cover. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.